As of July 2022, 12 years after starting our dental business, we have shipped over 18,000 dental mills worldwide. So on behalf of everybody at DGSHAPE, I would like to sincerely thank you for your confidence in us and your ongoing support. So I think it is only fitting that I give you 18 reasons why you should be taking a look at our latest model, the DWX-53DC. Whether you consider this to be the result of the 12 years experience we have in developing dental mills, or the 36 years experience we have in designing desktop CNC mills, I think you'll agree that what we're looking at is a sleek thoroughbred that's going to be at home, either front of house or in a workshop. Many labs have limited space. And what we quite often see is labs will invest in multiple DWX mills instead of maybe one larger system from another manufacturer. And this is a very cost-effective way of increasing productivity and also ensuring business continuity as well. The DWX-53DC has a much smaller footprint than our extremely popular 52 DCI and is actually lower when you consider the space needed to open the door. We have an integrated stand for a tablet PC, and the V-Panel software has been optimized for tablet screens. The updated V-Panel is a virtual control panel, and this is where we can monitor the status of any connected device, manage the jobs that are being sent to each device, the tools that are going to be used. We can access the integrated camera and any of the maintenance activities that we need to do from time to time. It also gives us access to DGSHAPE Cloud. DGSHAPE Cloud is a groundbreaking web application which can be accessed from pretty much any screen device. So regardless of where you are, you can have live data coming directly from your mills, and you can get reports that give you the uptime and downtime of any connected device. The included open edge adapter has a cutaway and utilizes the increased B-axis tilt of plus or minus 35 degrees to give you stunning anatomic detail for anterior restorations. Another bonus of this adapter is that it is waterproof and heat and pressure resistant, so you can polymerize in a pressure pot with this. Now, I mentioned before the integrated camera, and in addition to giving you live feedback of milling progress, this also gives you dash cam style control to scrutinize any milling issues. The dedicated airflow system will dramatically reduce the amount of zirconia dust and other waste material that's retained onto the disc. And the integrated ionizer will reduce the static generated when milling polymers, further reducing the waste. Reliability has never been an issue with our spindles, but we've increased the strength of this one, and the gripping force of the collet is 3 times that of our original systems. Now, when you couple this with the increased overall rigidity of the structure of the machine, we can now mill polymers much faster, and this is particularly important with the growing trend of digital dentures. The included automatic calibration adapter only needs to be used on the first initial installation and then if the machine is moved. But for those looking for the ultimate in precision, there is a manual calibration system as well, which extends the accuracy further. Now, in addition to the automatic calibration and the manual calibration, the system monitors the ambient temperature. So if there is a fluctuation that might impact the expansion rate of components involved with the motion control, then it will recommend that a short calibration can be undertaken to compensate for this. Now, the impact of milling waste on the environment is of prime importance to us at DGSHAPE. So in addition to the enhanced extraction, the air blower and the ionizer, the milling chamber is fitted with a secondary screen. And this is to ensure that milling waste is retained inside the milling chamber and then extracted. Communication between the milling machine and the extraction device has been improved using this new connector. We can now send a message from the mill to the extractor to agitate the filter to ensure that we get regular suction levels all the way through long milling processes, whether it is overnight or over the weekend. We receive regular feedback from our users to say that they love using our material adapters to manage their material, but using the alphabet as the identifier code restricted us to just 26, and this wasn't enough. So we've now switched to numbers, and that gives us the ability to go up to 100 labels. We've also halved the time it takes for the disc changer. Now, I did say I was only going to give you 18 reasons to look at the 53DC, and we're already there. So there you have it. That's 18 reasons why you should be looking at the DWX-53DC, our most advanced, intelligent and high-performance dental mill to date. Wait a minute, I haven't told you about